Welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about the comparative operators in Microsoft Excel, and we'll see like how we can use these operators. Okay, so for the same, here we have created some tables. Like first table for numeric data, and second table is for strings. Now we will use these two tables to understand the concept of operators and comparative operators. Okay, so our first operator is equals to, second one is not equals to, third one is greater than, fourth one is greater than equals to, and fifth one is less than, and sixth one is lesser than equals to. So we will see one by one. Okay, so firstly we will see equals to. Now suppose if the requirement is that we want to find out like whether these two cells are equals or not, so in that case we will use this operator. So how we will use this operator? First of all, to write any formula, what we will do, we press equals to, then select the cell. So I will select this cell, then we have to put the any of this operator. So for now we wants to check for the equal, so we will use the first operator, that is equal, and then select the second cell. So my second cell is this, and hit enter. So it is returning true, because whenever we use comparative operators, it always return boolean value. Either it will return true or it will return false. So right now it is returning true because these two numbers are equal, and we are checking the same, like whether these two cells are equal or not. If we use the same formula for these numbers, let's see what the output will be. So equals, for starting the formula, select the cell. Equals to, for comparing the equal values, then select the second cell and press enter. So it returns false because these two values are not equal. Okay, so this is all about the equals to operator. Now we will see the second operator, that is not equals to. So to write this, use this operator, we can use the two symbol, greater than or less than. Okay, so we'll see on these two cells. So to start the formula, write equal, then select the first cell, then write the operator name, that is not equals to, another cell, hit enter. So it returns true. Why? Because these two number are not equals to, and we are checking the same, whether these two numbers are not equal or not, equal or not. Okay, so these are not equals, that's why it returns 2. Now third one is greater than. If you want to check whether this number is greater than or not from this number, so we'll use the formula equals to, select the cell, then greater than symbol, another cell, hit enter. So it returns true because this number is greater than this number. What if I select this cell in reverse order? Like if I write equal, then I select this cell, then symbol is greater than, and this cell. If I hit enter, so it will return false. Why? Because this cell is not greater than this cell. Okay, previously we are checking whether this cell, number one cell, is greater than number two cell, so that's why it will return true. Okay, another one is greater than equals to. So we'll use the same formula, equals to, select the cell, greater than equals to, another cell, hit enter. So it returns true. Now we will see for less than equals to. For the less than, so to less than, just write equals to, select this cell, less than this cell, hit enter. So it will return false because this cell is not less than this cell. But if we do in reverse order, then it will return true. Let's see, write equal, select this cell. So now it will compare this cell with this cell, and will tell whether this cell is lesser than this cell. Hit enter, it returns true. Another one is greater than equals to, sorry, lesser than equals to. So go with equals to, select this, less than equals to this, hit enter. So it returns true. So that's how we can use these all operators with the numeric data. Now we will see for the string. So suppose we want to check whether these two names are equal or same or not. So what we will do, we will use the formula equals to, select this cell, equals to as an operator, then select this cell, hit enter. So it returned true because in both cell Rahul is written. So that's why it is returning correct. Now we can use same not equals to. So for not equals to, write equal, then select this, and not equals to, then select this, hit enter. So it returns true because these two are names are not equal. Now suppose if you, can we use this operator? Let's see. So write equal, select this, greater than, select this, hit enter. So it return false. Why? Let's see if we change this name with only J, and we'll use the same formula again. So equals to, select this, greater than, select this, hit enter, it returns false. And if you want to go for the equals to formula, then you can also copy the same. Like if I check equals to, select this, just write equals to here, select this cell, now write equal, select this cell, hit enter, and you can just drag it down to copy the formula. So it will tell false because these names are not equal. So that's how we can use the operators for all of these numeric values and string value. Usually we go only with these two operator for string because these are not usable for the strings, and for numeric values we can use either any of these operator. Okay, so this is all about for this session. In the next session we will learn about something more. So thank you for watching Texture Method.